Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and I wanted to take some time to do a video showing you some of the different kits that I have come up with. Now these are not the usual scrapbooking or mixed media kits that I put together. These are geared more toward planner kits. And I sold out of the beach ones that I had already made. So I put together some more, and then I thought, well, I can use some other paper as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show these first. Now the paper that's featured in this is Graphic 45's Sun-Kissed paper, the what's it called? Patterns and Solids, or Prints and Solids. I forget, Stripes and Solids, something like that. So I basically took each paper that's in the paper pad and just cut it down the middle. So you get each of the designs. I just love that. It reminds me whenever I was a kid and we'd go down to the beach. So you get a 6x12 sheet, one of each, of the designs. And then of course on the back, it has the solids. And I also have another video on my channel that goes in depth with the Graphic 45 Sun-Kissed collection, because I also have the collection pack for sale, and the ephemera pack, the banners pack, the sticker sheets. I do not have the chipboard. It's sold out. I think pretty much everywhere is sold out of the chipboard, unless somebody was smart enough to buy up a ton of it. And with the kit, you get this. This is for the Happy Planner. It's 40 sheets. It's a checklist. You can do it. It's got by the hour. As far as and this even shows it here. Let's see if I can maybe zoom in. Yeah, see, it's got by the hour, and then get it done, do it later. Just to kind of help with you, but you get 40 sheets of that. And then in each bag, let's see if I can try to get it to focus. Sometimes it doesn't seem to want to focus. Alright, and then as part of the planner, these are Heidi Swap clear date stickers. These are larger numbers with little hearts and little faces and stars. And then these are the smaller ones as well. Let me move that out of the way so you can see it better. And these are smaller numbers with, they're pretty much identical, except this is a smaller font of everything. So you get a ton of stickers there. And then you get one of each of the ephemera cards, which the larger ones are the 4x6. The smaller ones are the 3x4 size. So you get one of each of those. And then also in the banner kit, which are they call them the banners. They're cardstock die cuts basically. And so I just took one pack and just split them between the two, so that each kit, I forget what's in the listing. I think it's like maybe 46 stickers a piece. The listing will detail the pieces because I took the time to count out each thing, so you would know how much that you got. And I split the stickers as well. They're not going to be completely identical. Some of the the die cuts, some of the stickers, they're going to vary a little bit. For instance, like these, there's only 2 of these stickers, so you know, they go with this kit, but then there's 2 of the orange ones that go with the other kit. So you get the stickers. These are some Recollection flowers. I thought these matched just so well with the kit, you know, like with this, with the sunflowers. That just looks so good with that. And then also some smaller blue flowers. These are Recollections as well. Thought those would go really great. And then I've also got these they're little tiny Prima flowers. They're so cute. I had them in a glass bottle, and there's tons of them. And so I picked out some different colors: blue, green, orange, white, and yellow. There's 5 of them. And then there's some twine in there, some fibers. And then these are some cute little stickers. They're the little round gemstones. There's also little small butterflies and then the big butterfly. So there's 14 total. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 of the little circle gemstones and then 6 butterflies. 2 big ones and 4 little ones. And then here's a pack of some sequins. It's not really showing the color. Is for some reason it's coming in lighter on the camera, but it's kind of a burnt orange copper color. And then you get a 4x4 sheet of these gold, it's just a gold gemstone sticker sheet is what I call it. And those are so pretty. You can just cut them into whatever you need it to, or cut the individual little pieces out and stick them on. And there's 2 small wooden clothespins, 2 of these little metal, black metal clasps. These are, I think they're Tim Holtz. I've got it detailed in the listing, but I think they're Tim Holtz, the black ones are. And then this is also some Tim Holtz washi tape. It's kind of got like a little tan, yellow, orange color, so I thought that would match really well. And then there's 2 of these cute little bags. Those are really cute too. So we've got 2 kits. The only thing that varies is that one kit has, well, no, actually they're identical. They're identical. Last time they varied a little bit because I guess the colors of the flowers that I had chose to go with them. So, but no, these are both identical kits. And let me just scoot everything out of the way so that we can move it over and I can show you some of these other kits that I've put together. Okay, so these are some other planner kits. Just, you know, using some different paper, just experimenting. This paper here is Blue Fern Studios Tattered Walls. This is their newest paper collection that they came out with, I guess it was a couple months ago. And so you get 1 of each design that's cut into 6x12 sheets. And you know, as you can see, it's so pretty, just the colors. And I'll maybe do it like that. And then here's this sheet too. I may have that upside down, I'm not sure. And then here's this one here. Yeah, I think I've got them upside down. I like this page. And there's the back of it. You know, it's got some really pretty colors in the paper. You know, some pinks and, you know, like some little teal colors, and then your tans. And it's just really pretty paper. It's really very nicely designed. Let's see, it's kind of stuck. There we go. Alright, then you got this other sheet. I really like the style of it. And then this one. So, and I just took each sheet and had just cut it right down the middle, so they will vary slightly. you know, because it's may not be the same design on each side of the paper, you know, so it will vary slightly. But the paper is just so pretty. I just love it. Just kind of do a little go through here so you can see it. Yeah, and I like the paper. It's named after, I guess like the theme is rooms of the house, and so you got, you know, the powder room, the maid's room, the library, the carport, the garage, you know, so it's pretty neat. Yeah, I think that's very creative. So with the paper, you get this. This is a Heidi Swapp you know, to-do list, inserts and stickers. So see, these are the little stickers that come with it here. You know, make your list and then check it off. See, that's what it shows here. So, and it's 158 pieces, which is the pages and the stickers. And then to go with it, because I love these little clear date stickers. Let's see, and these are actually gold, you know, gold numbering, so I thought these were pretty neat. You get some numbers. You do get, it's got a couple of, I think one large heart and star. Then the smaller ones has got more. Let me move this out of the way. It's got more of, you know, the hearts and smiley faces and stars. So, and it's in the gold font, which is really pretty. And then the recollection flowers. You get two larger ones. I think those are 2.5. And then you also get these. This one's like a little bit bigger, and then the little smaller one that you can fit over it. And this kit has, it's kind of like a magenta fuchsia color, but then with this other kit, you know, it's going to have the purple polka dot. The kits will vary slightly as far as the flowers, and then also the washi tape. The Prima washi, there's one in black, and then there's one in the blush. So, and that's from the lavender collection. And then these little gemstones. And then these little Prima flowers. They're so cute. Got purple, blue, red. There's a light pink and a dark pink there. And then these little mini Tim Holtz clips. I think they're just so cute. And then there's, I think it's 2 yards of this black twine. That way, you know, that you'll have plenty, you know, to use if needed. Oh, I had, there we go. Alright. And then, let's see here. This is Prima Marketing's Bella Rouge. These are the little journaling cards or ephemera cards. And you get one of each of the cards. These are little 3x4 cards. I think they're so, I love the style of them. You know, it's got a picture on the front, and you can use these as photo mats or to jot something down. The back of them are plain so that you can write something down. You know, you just have it for whatever you need it for. These moments. It says, "Let your beautiful soul shine." And then this one says, "Beautiful." This one says, "Let your beautiful soul shine." There we go. Really pretty. I just love the the style of the paper, and I thought it went really well with this with this paper collection. And then also you get this 4x4 gemstone sticker sheet, and it's in a light pink color, really pretty, it's kind of like the blush color that the washi tape is. And then also, oh yeah, I forgot about this. This is a Heidi Swap clear divider. These in the kits will also vary. Like one kit will have this one, then one kit has this one. Let me move this out of the way so you can see it better. It's aligned with a floral design on it, and it's got the holes punched in the sides on both of them. And then also you get these sequins here, and they're kind of like a cranberry color. They're really pretty. It's like, it's not really pink, it's not really red. It's but they're really pretty. That I think they'll match, really well with everything. And then you also get the ephemera pack by Blue Fern Studios, the Tattered Walls collection, and this has 35 pieces. And on the back, this shows you each of the piece, that you'll get. And then I also have another video that goes into detail where I pulled out each piece so that you could see that. So you can go check that out over there as well to get the details of each piece. And so these kits are listed on my eBay shop, and I'll have the links below so that you can go check those out. Each kit is, you can just say $15, but they're $14.97 a piece. So you can go check those out, and if you have any questions, just feel free to shoot a comment below, and let me know what you think. If there's some other kits that you would like to see, let me know. I am working on a junk journal kit, baby themed, so I hope to be getting that up in the next couple of days. So just let me know what you think. I'm open for any suggestions on what videos you would like to see, and different things. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.